بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. By the night when it covers, and by the day when it appears, and by He who created the male and female. Indeed, your efforts are diverse. As for he who gives and fears Allah, and believes in the best reward, we will ease him toward ease. But as for he who withholds and considers himself free of need, and denies the best reward, we will ease him toward difficulty. And what will his wealth avail him when he falls? Indeed, incumbent upon us is guidance. And indeed, to us belongs the hereafter and the first life. So I have warned you of a fire which is blazing. None will enter to burn therein except the most wretched one, who had denied and turned away. But the righteous one will avoid it, he who gives from his wealth to purify himself, and not giving for anyone who has done him a favor to be rewarded, but only seeking the countenance of his Lord Most High, and he is going to be satisfied.
صدق الله العظيم.